Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import a make.com blueprint. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and create a new scenario right here at the top right. Just click on it. Now wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we have a blank canvas. All right. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to this panel. Okay. And go ahead and click on three dots that says more. Click on it. As you can see here, we have three options: explain flow, export, and import blueprint. Just go ahead and click on import. Now click on choose file button. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we have a JSON file. Just go ahead and locate your JSON file and make sure that it is highlighted. Click on it, then go ahead and click on open. Okay. Just click on open. It says here blueprint.json, or depending on the name that you have renamed the file. And just go ahead and hit on save. Wait for it. As you can see here, as fast as that, we now have our imported blueprint right here in our newly created scenario. That's basically how you do it. Well, you can just go ahead and run it once to check the automation process, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.